Hi guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. I'm in my morning groove, lead by the sun. Uh, that's our Russell 2000 in continuation of the trend. Uh, Neutral zone type 2 at your services. At your services. Dow Jones, everything pops. God, what's going on in there? I don't know if you can hear it or not, but there's a massacre right by my window. Trash collection, whatever. Spider bounces. Huh, interesting. We have like unidirectional market. Look, Russell is up, Dow Jones is up, SPY is down, and so are Qs, are high tech. Magnet, Intel, oopsie doopsie. My trade that didn't go. Yeah, that was a little like too far down, but what can you do? What can you do? And guys, I should stop doing uh, options until I take additional training because the spreads, I need to reason in the spreads. Spreads are horrible and they're not in my favor at all. Uh, it's not for, yeah, I changed direction, so in caught and trend. I don't think that I'm looking for anything here. Um, mm, it's earnings. It's too much volume. Hey, wait. Why do I have this open? Yeah. Mm. Yeah. And then an up thrust like this. Unvolumed. Yeah. Doesn't want to go there. Looks like. Looks like it doesn't want to go there. Mm. It's a wrong place on daily for sure. It went down. Hmm. Boom, it breaks. It breaks quite powerfully. Same here. Breaks quite powerfully. And this makes no sense. Yeah, this makes no sense. It's a balance on daily, so skeptical, but oh, this thing broke down violently. It's a good continuation of the trend, except for the fact that it really looks like exhaustion. But other than that, I have no doubt it has to, it still has to close uh, the break of the level, but I mean, I have very little doubt that it will fail to do so. We don't need it on minutes yet. Yeah, and it's also well, and distribution is not the best. Yeah, oops. If this was the biggest volume, I'd say it's a go, but then it wasn't. It isn't. So Dune. We got the transition extreme and the whole shebang, or maybe not. Third level. Uh, if it wasn't so violent, you know what I mean? Looks like Ford a little bit. And my biggest takeaway is that the opportunity for me to make money is always a market dysfunction because that's not what it's designed for. That's, I think, my biggest insight of the. I don't know how long this month for sure, but maybe far beyond that. Maybe this quarter. It's still a continuation of the trend, but yeah, I think this volume is a sentence. I think it's gonna close and break. Hmm. Most likely this is gonna work one bar reversal. Up thrust, test, at bigger volume on test. Apple, is it 0.5? There's exhaustion volume, no break. It came down there, accumulated. Yep, that was the setup. Unvolumed spring. And then volume spring that needed a test, but probably could have been neglected. We need a test because it's expanding level of this balance, but also yeah, I think this was doable. In point 0.5, yeah, I think the test was neglectable here. Neglectable and negligible. There is a better word. I bumped into it lately, but don't remember it from the top of my head. Uh, yeah, and there was exhaustion and takeover. And everything checked out here. There is this volume, but we are like far above it. We're like, oh, I mean, it's far above us. It's far above our take profit. By the way, I want to check my sound. Mm-hmm. We're all good. We're all good. Because I'm a little bit cautious about it ever since. Hold on. Ever since I had the stream a couple days ago and it was like really quiet. Okay. Apple. Uh, uh, yeah. T-Mobile. Oh, this is far from point 0.5 by considering we got short. Oh God. Yeah, nothing. Hmm. It's powerful break. It's reversal. I mean, it's not gonna work out. I'm just fooling around. I'm just fooling around. Yeah. Wow. Boom, it's at the level. It's very lookalike. It's like Dow Jones or Russell, one of those indices. Yeah, it's an interesting volume for sure. I'm sorry. Oh, that was a nice sneeze. I'm always afraid to mix up sneeze and squeeze, like paper and pepper, world and word, and squeeze and sneeze. Yeah, and this is not a transition external. Oh, and then this is a break then. So never mind. Let's see gainers and losers. And I'll go about my day. What the heck? I like losers first. Look at this thing. I think it will be fair just to just all of this was a product of my imagination, probably. Heard booms. Yeah, that needs levels. It's at the level, but yeah, definitely not for a coincidence of the levels. It's a red day, in case you didn't notice. My favorites. It's my time now. And I mean, don't even want to watch anything in counter trend. honestly. It's a red day. It's at the level. And it's I don't know if there is any point of it needs to calm down. Interesting. This is a very, very distinct volume. Yeah. Oops. It's a strong approach. It accumulated here. And then breaks. And still, it's and yet. Yeah, this I think is neglectable, and it's like last hour of the day. Yeah, that needs to calm down. There's some green. It's unilateral, unidirectional market we have. It's a unidirectional market. It went down as it should have. Here was an entry back. It's like in 2 minutes it's gonna close on a break. Doesn't matter, but it does. And that's it's closing and a break. So And XLK is closing on a break. XLK, right? Not K. XLK. Yeah. Closes and break. So does Apple. Interesting. So this would have worked within the range. It's always good when. Oh no. Uh oh. Yeah, that wouldn't have worked. That's closing and a break. 0.5 doesn't matter anymore. Okay, that's what we've got, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna go start my day. That's a 1 bar rule. That's a break. Some very serious volume. I see. ZDTM. Intel. This thing is levels. Levels. This we have open. Casca. We have it open. We got transitioning Sherman. SLME. It's a 1 bar rule. It's really this. Ridiculous. Continuation of the trend, and we have it open. Not even looking at it. Yeah, it needs to break the perforated levels first. That needs levels. It's a break. So we need levels. Yeah. I think I was very much affected by Netflix drop yesterday while Apple closed in a break. XLK in a break. SMR in a break. This is actually good in continuation of the trend. I'm very much concerned by this volume. It's not the biggest volume on our, so our volume distribution is still alright. This is very much nothing. Hmm. Yeah, that was the last one. So yeah, that's all we've got. Hey, you don't need it open now. Okay, I'm gonna go. You guys trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone. No one knows anything. Learning around the communities of like-minded people.